Let us discuss something about numbers. First point is set of integers. Integers are represented by symbol I. Integers can be negative, integers can be 0, integer can be positive. So here I will write -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Correct? Now here I have to use discrete bracket because after 1 the next integer is 2. So there are infinite numbers between 1 and 2. Those all numbers are not integers. Correct? So it's a discrete value 1, 2, 3 and so on. So it's a discrete set. Now second thing, I can say set of positive integers. Now set of positive integers is nothing but natural numbers which can be represented by symbol n, and this can also be represented by I plus. I plus means only those integers which are positive. So I can say that set is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Third is set of negative integers. Negative integers are represented by I minus. I minus means only those integers which are negative. So I can say -3, -2, -1. -1 is the last value of that negative integer, or we can say -1 is the highest member, greatest member of the set negative integer. Now negative integer के बाद the fourth thing is set of whole numbers. Now whole numbers is nothing but just those integers which are positive and 0. So this set starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It can be represented by symbol W, or it can also be represented by I plus union discrete 0. So if I add one value that is 0 in positive integer, it will become a whole number. Or even I can say if I subtract all negative integer from the integer. So from the integer, if I subtract all negative integer, again I will get whole numbers. So it can be represented by W or I plus union 0, or it can also be represented by I minus I minus. Now fifth one, I can say that set of let us say non-positive integers. Non-positive integer, so non-positive मतलब नेगेटिव नहीं होता. Non-positive मतलब जो पॉजिटिव नहीं है. सो पॉजिटिव नहीं है मतलब 0 एंड नेगेटिव. सो नेगेटिव इंटीजर with 0 is a set of non-positive integer. How to represent this? We can write it as all negative integer union discrete 0. This is a way to represent set of all non-negative integer, or else we can also write it as subtract positive integer from the integer. So you will get 0 and negative integer. Sixth point is set of all real numbers. Now real numbers are those numbers which are present on the number line. Now it can be integer, it can be fraction, it can be decimal, it can be rational, it can be irrational. सब हर एक नंबर आ जाता है रियल में. so it can be represented by r. Now this is one continuous set, correct? So I will write it as minus infinity to infinity के बीच का हर एक नंबर. Now here मैं I can't apply closed bracket because closed bracket apply किया means that number are the boundaries. Now infinity जैसा कोई नंबर ही नहीं है, मतलब उसका बाउंड्री इंफिनिटी को पकड़ नहीं सकते नंबर लाइन पे, करेक्ट? सो डेफिनेटली ओपन ब्रैकेट विल कम. नेक्स्ट सेवेंथ सेट is, we can say that set of all positive real numbers. Positive real numbers are denoted by r plus. Now r plus मतलब all on a number line only positive numbers. Now positive number मतलब जीरो के राइट साइड में. So I can say 0 to infinity. Now definitely infinity के पास तो open bracket आएगा. Now 0 के पास मैंने close bracket लगा दिया. It means 0 is there in the set. It means 0 positive में count हो जाएगा. But 0 is neither positive nor negative. But here name of the set is positive real number. तो 0 को छोड़ के right hand side में. So don't say 1 to infinity because there are many numbers between 0 and 1, those are also positive. So 0 से next immediate कौन सा नंबर होता है वो तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता. तो 0 को छोड़ के तो डेफिनेटली हम लोग 0 के पास ओपन ब्रैकेट लगाएंगे. इट मीन्स ऑल द नंबर्स आर इंक्लूडेड बिटवीन 0 to infinity. That's it. Next, eighth set is set of all negative real numbers. Now negative real numbers are represented by r minus. Now r minus means all जीरो के नाउ अभी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. नाउ जीरो के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मतलब माइनस इंफिनिटी टू जीरो. डेफिनेटली माइनस इंफिनिटी पे राउंड ब्रैकेट, जीरो पे भी राउंड ब्रैकेट. ओके, नेक्स्ट नाइन्थ वन. इफ आई से सेट ऑफ ऑल नॉन नेगेटिव रियल नंबर्स. नॉन नेगेटिव रियल नंबर मतलब रिमेंबर वन थिंग, नॉन नेगेटिव does not mean that positive. नॉन नेगेटिव कभी भी पॉजिटिव नहीं होता. एंड सिमिलरली नॉन पॉजिटिव कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होता. नाउ हियर आई एम सेइंग सेट ऑफ ऑल नॉन नेगेटिव रियल नंबर. सो नॉन नेगेटिव रियल नंबर्स आर दोज नंबर्स जो नेगेटिव नहीं है. नेगेटिव नहीं है मतलब पॉजिटिव भी है एंड जीरो भी चलेगा. सो आई कैन से दैट पॉजिटिव के साथ जीरो को ऐड कर दो, या तो आई कैन से दैट सबट्रैक्ट ऑल नेगेटिव रियल नंबर्स फ्रॉम द रियल नंबर्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो वन वे टू रिप्रेजेंट. Now if I want to write in terms of set, so I will write 0 to infinity. Definitely infinity के पास open bracket, but now 0 is there in the set, so I have to put a close bracket here. So this is nothing but set of all non-negative real number. The 10th point is set of all non-positive real number. नाउ नॉन पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर, नॉन पॉजिटिव का अगेन आई एम टेलिंग नेगेटिव नहीं होता. नॉन पॉजिटिव मतलब जो पॉजिटिव नहीं है. तो पॉजिटिव नहीं है तो क्या है, नेगेटिव भी है और जीरो भी हो सकता है. सो आई कैन से नेगेटिव रियल नंबर में जीरो ऐड कर दो, या तो हर एक रियल नंबर में से पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर सबट्रैक्ट कर दो. दिस इज नथिंग बट माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू जीरो, माइनस इन्फिनिटी के पास ओपन ब्रैकेट, जीरो के पास क्लोज ब्रैकेट, बिकॉज जीरो इज देयर इन द सेट. 11th one, set of all rational numbers. Now rational numbers are denoted by symbol q. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q, where p belongs to integer, q also belongs to integer, and q cannot be equal to 0, because अगर q 0 हो गया तो जो फ्रैक्शन है वो अनडिफाइंड हो जाएगा. सो इफ आई वॉन्ट टू राइट दिस रैशनल नंबर्स इन सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म, so I will write A, let us name this set as A, is a set which contains all x type of elements, where x is nothing but p by q, in which p belongs to integer, q also belongs to integer, but q cannot be equal to 0. Next number is set of all irrational number. Irrational number are denoted by q bar, or in some books they are denoted by q complement, or we can say that if we subtract rational number from all real number, we'll get irrational number, so r minus q. Now irrational numbers are those numbers which are non-terminating and non-recurring. Now non-terminating means जो टर्मिनेट नहीं होता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन से 9/2, 9/2 मतलब 4.5, तो 5 पे अटक गया मतलब टर्मिनेट हो गया, एंड हो गया, सो वो इरेशनल नहीं है. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग मतलब जो एंड नहीं होता है, एंड नॉन रिकरिंग मतलब सेम पैटर्न रिपीट भी नहीं होता है. मतलब 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 3, 3.3333 रिपीट हो रहा है, सो वो रिकरिंग नंबर है. We want that number which is non-terminating and non-recurring. So for example, let us say pi, which is equal to 3.14159 and so on. This is non-terminating and non-recurring also, because number end भी नहीं हो रहा है और same pattern repeat भी नहीं हो रहा है. Another example, let us say E is Napier's constant 2.7182 and so on. Again, this is non-terminating and non-recurring number. If someone will tell you to give an example of 5 irrational number, so remember one thing, square root of all non-perfect square positive integers are always irrational. If I say square root of 2, because 2 is not a perfect square number, square root of 3 is also not a perfect square number, so square root of 2, square root of 3, those are irrational number. Now square root of 4 is not irrational number because 4 is a perfect square number, so square root of 5 allowed, square root of 6 is irrational, square root of 7 is irrational, square root of 8 is irrational. Now again square root of 9 is not irrational because 9 is a perfect square. So square root of 10, square root of 11, square root of 12, square root of 13, square root of 14, square root of 15, those all are irrational numbers.